the Internet Explorer cannot display the page error, you're not alone. This can be super frustrating, but don't worry, we're going to walk through some easy solutions to fix this issue. Before we dive into more advanced fixes, make sure you're actually connected to the internet. Check your network connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, make sure you're connected to the right network. If you're using a wired connection, check if the Ethernet cable is securely plugged in. Now, if you're still having trouble, try restarting your modem or router. This can help reset your internet connection and resolve any temporary issues. Sometimes an outdated cache in Internet Explorer can cause problems when trying to load a page. Let's clear that out and see if it helps. To do this, open Internet Explorer and click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. From there, select Settings. And there find temporary cache and cookies or data. Simply delete it. Simply delete all the temporary data and cache. This will clear out any old data that might be interfering with your browsing. Once that's done, close Internet Explorer and reopening and try loading the page again. Finally, if you've tried all the steps and the problem persists, it could be an issue with Internet Explorer itself. While we focus on fixing Internet Explorer, remember that using an alternative browser like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox could be a quick fix to keep browsing without interruption.